The GCC Hospitality Industry is expected to grow at an annual rate of 8.1% to reach $28.3 billion by 2016. That's according to a recent report by Alpen Capital. In line with the estimated growth, Dubai welcomed 5.5 million visitors in the first half of 2013, recording an 11.1% annual increase from the same period last year. That's according to the DTCM H1 figures. As Dubai aims to welcome 20 million annual visitors as a part of its tourism vision for 2020, tourism and hospitality sectors have increasingly become the main focus for the economy. Our correspondent Abdul Karim has more.
Since its inception in 1997, the Department for Tourism and Commerce Marketing has continued to position Dubai at the forefront as a destination for leisure and business travel. A number of strategies have been introduced, such as the recently announced financial incentives for 3- and 4-star hotel developments to encourage the construction of more hotels and diversify the source of tourism market in response to the surge in demand.
After the establishment of Department of Tourism and Commerce Market back in 1997, and after the launching of the classification, which is first of its kind in the region, it was in 1998. At that time we have nearly around 200 hotels with more than 20,000 rooms, but today we are talking about 600 hotels and more is coming in the pipeline. This consists of 80,000 rooms. That's why we are doing a lot of development and enhancement in our classification system and licensing to introduce more investors to Dubai.
During the recently concluded hotel show, increasing number of hotel groups have been capitalizing on the surge in demand as they move towards increasing their presence in Dubai. David Garner, Director of Sales for the Thai Hospitality Group and Antara Resorts, highlighted the growing demand and continued government support as main factors for their interest in Dubai.
Dubai continues to actually grow and the demand here continues to grow. People always question the growth of the hotels. Will there be enough business to really fill those properties? The old supply and demand issue. But it clearly shows that the demand is still here. And I think that Dubai keeps reinventing itself in many aspects and adding to the product that it already has to attract guests. And in particular for us, the real focus will be on retaining our guests, as in making sure that they become repeat guests.
With more development projects taking place, such as the Mohammed bin Rashid City, the hotel industry is certainly expected to boom.
Well, it's huge. I mean, it's one of Dubai's biggest economic drivers. So obviously there's the oil, there's the construction, which is now picking up again. But hospitality's been there since the start, really. It's the reason that people are able to come for the real estate market and the construction market. And it really does underpin everything. And at the end of the day, you know, Middle East, Arabic culture is very much about hospitality. So it is kind of underpinning everything that's happening right now.
The arrival of 5.5 million visitors in the first half of 2013 is a positive indication of Dubai aiming to achieve its targets of Vision 2020. As the hospitality industry creates investment opportunities and generate consumer spending, it has increasingly become a major focus for the economy. Abdul Karim, 7 National News.